Hi everyone, JT here. So, it is the 1st of March, 2024. So that means it is time for what I'm now, I guess, going to be do very monthly, since I just like doing it. We're going to be taking a look at an update of the demolition progress at Sunrise Mall here in Corpus Christi, Texas. So without further ado, let's take a look. Alrighty, so still this part of the mall is still standing. Well, there is some demolition equipment in there demolishing it, if you can see. But yeah, so far nothing much has changed. It's still very much, demolition is still progressing, going on here. Still trying to use this tripod because it's like literally I'm trying to make it me seem more centered and not like on the side, because my phone is big and wide and I'm trying to, you know what I mean, but at least we're getting a much more stable shot of everything going on. And then this part of the mall is still for lease. Well, the part of the Sears store actually. Just realized this doorway, they cut open like cardboard, like no drywall, as you can see. Yeah, I know it's understandable. Looking back here at the former customer pickup side of the Sears store. Of course, you can clearly see the Sears sign still very much left as is. Super Patch High Performance Pothole Patch Latex Light. Well, there's a part of this mall that definitely needs that stuff. So as you can see, they're kind of clearing the debris, and I'm just noticing here some of the original flooring of the mall is still present even after everything's demolished. You can see that's the floors. They're still present there even after the demolition. There's like little patches of it, you can see. You can clearly see like there's like patches of the original flooring still present on the ground after everything all now demolished. But yeah, that was a detail I just noticed. Yeah, they're slowly beginning to clear out all the debris. It's less of debris here than it was when I filmed back in February. The parking garage still remains. They're keeping this here still. This was the original driveway area to the second and third floors of this. Random tire just left there. I don't know where those abandoned tires are coming from. Stairwell, but I ain't going up there, no way. Sorry. Yeah, so we are now at the parking garage again underneath. It's still gated because the construction's going on over there. Take a yeah. And there's, see, still a big large pile of debris still standing. There. I still don't get the point of keeping these parking garages. I don't see the reasoning. I don't think there's going to be a lot of people using them unless whatever's going to be built here will be utilizing them, but I don't know, we will see. There's the abandoned elevator shaft way over there, which will never be used again, I imagine. Of course, they're still keeping this sign. I don't understand why. And I just don't see the point in keeping that sign. So remember when I said in one of my previous update videos that this sign still remaining standing might be a hazard? Well, as you can see, there's a part of the former Wilcox sign missing. Where did that go? Where is it? Oh, right here on the ground. There it is. That came off from that. That blew off and fell here. Damn, that's heavy too. Again, like, it's a good thing I wasn't here filming if that came off, because that could have hit me, and it is heavy. I'm kidding. That, look. Oh God. You see? That came off from that. Seriously, this sign needs to come down sooner or later, because it's just going to keep falling apart and stuff. That is going to keep coming off. That is not safe. Parking for Wilcox and Freedom Fitness customers only. All others will be towed at owner's expense. It's not Wilcox anymore. It's Bell Furniture. Wilcox is gone. Okay, so they put up the fencing here so I can safely not get towards where the fountain used to be. Again, the old fountain of the center court used to be around there, gone. But you could see the stonework, I think of the floors and stuff, all in that pile. You see a part of the floor right there. On the ground, still present of flooring. And of course we got the Sears, which they're trying their best to paint over the label scar, but you can still see a little bit of the S still kind of leaking through there. You can see. And of course there's the former elevator of the parking garage, all damaged up and stuff. Yeah. Joskies. Yeah, it's not called that anymore. It's Bell Furniture. We will never remember that store brand. That's not there anymore. That didn't remember anymore. Okay, we're at the Bell Furniture. Oh. Okay, on the elevator. Nice young woman who was coming out of the elevator, so I had to pause the camera real quick. Respect privacy. So the former mall entrance. The last time we filmed here, you could see light coming out, but they've painted over it so much. Nothing that remembers that you could see through it. Nope. Not anymore. FC Dallas. Yeah.
There we go. Go to 1.
This place is busier than usual, which is good. A little bit more cautious when filming, but that's good. They're a little bit more busier than usual. This is historic. Got this part of the building, which used to be the Freedom Fitness before I moved to the Sears side. I don't know what they're gonna put in here. Maybe another gym? Who knows? Because there's gonna be a lot of development for this mall sooner or later after it's all done. Okay. Going underneath the parking garage. Oh my god, there's a racist symbol graffiti there, which I'm not going to show because I don't want to get in trouble by YouTube. And hopefully it didn't caught on camera. This is the stairwell. I'm not going up it. No. No park past this point. Okay. That's some nice graffiti right there. There's others here, but some of it is a little bit inappropriate, and I don't think I can film it for YouTube. Could take down my video. This is the only tame one I can show on camera. Be better today. Now these seem a little bit more tame that I can film for YouTube. The others over there, there was some that were a little bit explicit NSFW that's not safe, but this seems safe to film. Cool. Okay, this single eyeball. Ugh, no. Customer pickup parking only. Took off some of the brush here, so now we can clearly see this used to be a Montgomery Ward. Parcel pickup product service. In that old Montgomery Ward like font. But this is the only portion of the mall still standing, and you can see some of the stone pillars. You can clearly tell right there, some of the stone pillaring work is still kind of present. And then of course you have this Sunrise Mall sign still standing. Oh. You still see the last pair of standing escalators still standing right there. Those are going to be coming down as soon as they get to this portion of the mall. Yep. Still standing. And whatever that pothole stuff that was inside that's part of the abandoned Sears, this is what's needed for. Look at this road. No way am I driving my car through here, my new Nissan Versa through here. No. I learned the hard way to try to avoid potholes as much as possible. And these ain't potholes, these are craters. It's even worse over there. So this is the Burlington, and you can see some of the original. It still looks like a store inside this. It's now a storage facility. Weird detail to point out. As you can see what's remaining intact from the Sunrise Mall. Still standing for now. Soon it will end up like this. All reduced to rubble. parking sign still standing right there. Still standing. There used to be a walkway there to go to the second floor. Now that's all that's left. With this little remaining portion remaining to be demolished. And of course, as you can see, Walgreens is still standing, abandoned. And of course, with the recent announcement, there are going to be a lot more Walgreens that are going to look like this with their store closings. A lot of companies closing stores. And of course, the red box machine that was here is gone. And now we're going to take a look up. Abandoned Walgreens. I don't know if you guys can get a good look. Abandoned Walgreens. Abandoned. Totally empty. And of course, the abandoned Walgreens from the former drive-through pharmacy window of a car driver. Yep, abandoned, very abandoned. That's it. That was a look at, that was the March 2025 update of the demolition at Sunrise Mall. So far, they're clearing out a majority of the debris, and they still have one portion of the mall still left standing that I would imagine later this month will be demolished. So, thank you for everyone who's been watching all of these update videos. You know, it really is helping with my growth of my channel, as well as a lot of people seem to be enjoying them, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching these update videos, really, of just the demolition progress. You know, it's not that crazy, but not that interesting, but you guys seem to love it, and thank you for everyone who's been giving those a lot of great viewership. What do you guys think of currently the status of Sunrise Mall? What do you guys think you would like here at the site of where the mall used to be standing? What do you want to see put in its place? Let me know in the comments down below. Like, share, subscribe to my channel if you can. Hit the notification bell as well. I'm now going to do my ASMR filming of the site for that enjoyment, because those are fun, and also take some high quality photos as well. Definitely will be reviewing the new episode of Miraculous tomorrow. And this month also we'll be beginning the voting for the 2025 Crunchyroll Anime Awards. Sometime, I think maybe next week or so. It's this month. I know it begins this month, so I'll definitely be keeping you guys posted of when that begins. Let me know again. I look forward to filming that every year, so I'm looking forward to doing that. And I'm also thinking maybe of doing a vlog of me going to the pop-up celebration for KadabraCon, which is going to be on the 15th. So I might be doing that. But otherwise, I'm just busy looking for a job and all the adulting, as it's said in a very trendy way, which I don't like. But either way, thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Thank you all for the support on my channel, and please subscribe, again, like, share, do whatever, of course, all the YouTubers say. Until next time, thank you all for watching. This is JT, signing off.